Good morning. So we're gonna do the blog style today. We got a property we're flipping in area close to home, and Rog, away. Okay, so we're gonna get going. I'm gonna take you through. This is gonna be quite an interesting one. We got 3 days on site, and then we need to be out. So here we go. Okay, so the guys have just started offloading the tools. So this is the little yard we got. Not too bad. Fireplace, top that needs to be taken down. A lot of general cleaning. Let's see if I can zoom in on that. Just a lot of general cleaning. And then let's get to the inside. So as you can see, a lot of smoke damages, a lot of light fittings not working, random stuff on the floor from the move. A lot of morning. Okay, got interrupted by the neighbor there. Okay, patching the walls, lights not working, additional screws needed. Let's see if I can zoom in on that. So when we do these flips, a lot of times these old screws are not sufficient anymore, so we tend to upgrade them. There you can see smoke damage. Well, let's see if we can sort all of this out. Most probably an old hole there. Okay, a bit of damage on the floor. These panels, gonna make them two-tone. Get rid of all of these. Okay, get rid of these red enamels. Not sure what's the story there. See if we can salvage these cornices because they look like they're at end of life. Maybe just backfill them, but see if we can do there. Kitchen, not enough lighting. Yet again, screws are an issue. Definitely not enough lighting in here. Let's see if I can get the back door open. Okay, door needs to be sorted. Oh. And then this is like a little wash up area. So see, we clean all of this off. Fresh coat of paint. The guys are busy starting already. Bit of damages to the cupboard, but nothing too bad, but needs to be attended in the future. Cables is something we saw yesterday. Bit of love needed there. Okay, let's go through to the rest of the house. Okay, let's do this room first. Yet again, ceiling damages, smoke, weird paint colors. Is like a purple enamel. That door goes through to like a mutual common area at the back for the plumbing between them and the flat next door. Yet again, a lot of smoke damage. Ceiling damage over there, but nothing we can't look after. Door handles with locks inside them. So overall, we want to be in and out here in 4 days. That's what we got on sites. A few handles that need to be fittings need to be replaced. Fittings, upgrade there. The bathroom area. Small upgrades, seat. So, okay, new lights. The paint is falling off the wall. Just gonna refresh it, see what we can do in this corner from a plumbing point of view. If there's budget available. Fittings, glass jar, not sure. And yeah, obviously clean this off, see if we can get out there to go clean that. Yeah, so let's go through to the bedroom, main bedroom, fitting upgrade. Windows dirty. Got a bit of a structural issue going here. So we'll see what's going on there. I don't think it is damp. I think it is actually a settlement crack from when the building was originally built. If you look here, there's this strip all the way through. And the other room has got it as well. So I think there is a structural issue from the two rooms. There is something on the wall and I can't figure it out. The guys will be washing the walls before we paint it. More smoke damage, not as bad as the other rooms. There's apparently locks in here, but I'll see if I've got the keys for these. Let's see if we can repaint these. Not sure what's that. It's a USB charger. Oh. I guess, so yeah, Yet again, more smoke damage. Door. Okay, let's get after it. Let's get it cleaned. Okay, we just got back, quickly went for a supply run. The guys have been at it the whole day. Let's have a look what they've been able to achieve. It's been a quite interesting day. Quite a new principles they had to learn, and a few mistakes, definitely a few mistakes. Okay, prep is done, bit more left there. Nails and screws are out. Holes filled, walls have been washed. Machine's getting prepped. We're going to replace all the plugs, we're not covering them up. Fittings are going to get replaced. Lights has been installed just so we can see what we're doing. And we decided to paint before we fix all the imperfections, because the fact is we can't really see all the imperfections. We're going to paint the wood just because of the amount of holes we had to fill, so we're not going to try and save that. There's a piece at the bottom there that's beyond, and then there's a rotten piece over there that we're going to take off and fix. Plug point there needs to be replaced. This is the light fitting for that globe over there. Okay. This light still needs to be attended to. And then we found a piece of rotting paint, so that has been removed, bonding liquids, and then repaired. All of this will be fixed with a solvent based, what Roach is busy with, Big Show's busy with right now. And then the rest of the house will be done with a 3-in-1 universal undercoat primer, just a matte one, until we can get all the imperfections completed. Okay, we're back. It's the next afternoon. I didn't have time to record this morning, but we are at the property again. Roach is busy doing pressure washing for us. He's just busy wetting everything off before we soft wash it. And then the guys are inside. They're busy painting. We had a bit of an issue with the smoke coming back through, but they've attended to that. Big Show!
Yes, sir.
So good morning.
Morning, how are you guys?
Okay, so I'm going to flip the camera around and let's have a look. Come here. Okay, it's day 4 of the flip. We are back. If you can see that, Team's busy wrapping up. Let's go have a look at what they've done. We're done. Okay, so we've just put some chemicals onto the floor. That was the before. That's the after. Sorry we didn't do this earlier, then we would have done more of the driveway. But here we go. Welcome home. So we have lights there, lights throughout, working lights in the kitchen. The guys are still busy cleaning. One or two small issues that we've picked up. We'll fix that later, not today. We'll get an electrician in to come sort that for us. Kitchen clean. Some of the curtains from the last people that's still there. Not much we did here. The courtyard area. Okay. Same room, right? Doesn't feel like it. One issue we had in the house, which is quite an abnormal issue, is we had a lot of cracking. You can actually see the paint is still wet there from touch-ups now. Touch-ups there, around there, and oh yeah, there's a lot of, that's just busy drying. A lot of touch-ups that was needed because it was cracks, and like paint cracks. I've never seen it before, especially up here. There we go, you can still see some. There we go. So yeah, so do another touch-up when this is dry. The bathroom, we didn't have time to do anything other than just repaint it, get the light working again, and just nothing hectic, still the same. This is a project for another day. When the next tenants come, then we can sort that out. Okay, doors have been painted, rooms are painted, window for light grey. Biggie is busy wiping and washing the floors outside for us. Just one more staging area. This door's still wet, so it's still drying. Even this one. How's it, Biggie?
How are you?
I'm good. Yeah, it doesn't look like the same area. Outside's been pressure washed. Dryer has been washed. Additional tiles was removed today, so we still need to come back and wash that. There's still some gardening left, but we'll leave that for the next tenant. Other than that, we're pretty much done. What do you guys think of these paneling? So the paneling is the same color as the passage. The passage stops there, and then the room has got the same coloring. So just from a two-tone effect. The other thing we haven't mentioned, all the plugs have been upgraded in the house other than the kitchen. We didn't do anything in the kitchen other than a few hinge adjustments. There we go. Yeah, so the stove needs a lot of love and attention. Other than that, we're done. Okay. If you like the contents, please hit a comment below. Tell us what you'll do different, and tell us what you want to see more of, maybe some less of. Have a good day.